Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore product listings using Shopify SEO and Google step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Shopify admin account. Navigate to the Products section on your left-hand menu. Look for the All Products tab and click on it. Identify the product listings that you want to restore. Check if any products are marked as draft or archived. For archived products, click on the checkbox next to the item. Select the Actions drop-down menu at the top right corner. Choose Unarchived Products from the drop-down list. Confirm the action to restore the product listing. Next, check the product's visibility settings. Click on the individual product listing to open the details page. Ensure that the visibility section is set to Shopify, allowing it to show in your store. Now, review the SEO settings for that product. Scroll down to the Search Engine Listing Preview section. Click Edit Website SEO to access the SEO settings. Optimize the page title to attract more clicks from search engines. Incorporate relevant keywords in the meta description. Add alt text for any images to improve accessibility and SEO. Save your changes after optimizing the SEO settings. Next, focus on Google Search Console for indexing your restored products. Log into your Google Search Console account. Select your website from the list of properties. Navigate to the URL inspection tool on the left menu. Enter the URL of the restored product listing. Click Enter to analyze the URL. If it shows not indexed, click the Request Indexing button. Google will then crawl the page, helping it appear in search results. Lastly, monitor the product performance in Shopify Analytics. Return to your Shopify admin. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.